Okay, so we're headed to Pine Dunes Forest Preserve, basically starting it right from the end of the northern end of the Des Plaines River Trail. So once we make our way on this little connector trail off of Russell Road, we're going to enter Pine Dunes Forest Preserve. We're going to do that short loop and then head right back. If you haven't checked out the Des Plaines River Trail ride, go ahead and click that info card above. Okay, so we're at the corner of Russell Road and Old Skokie Road, and this is the path that'll take you to the Pine Dunes Forest Preserve. But I just wanted to point out that we're incredibly close to the Bristol Renaissance Fair when we're at this point here. So if I weren't riding right now, that's probably where I'd be, since it's only open 9 weekends a year. But I think it's less than a mile this way. You'll run right into the Bristol Renaissance Fair. So if you're in the area, keep that in mind. They don't have specific bicycle parking, but they have motorcycle parking, and you're allowed to chain your bike up to posts there in the motorcycle area. Okay, so we're on the little trail that'll connect us into the yellow loop of the Pine Dunes Forest Preserve. I think it's about 2.2 miles, a loop, so it's a short loop. But it's so close to where the Des Plaines River Trail ends that if you have the time and the energy and all of that, definitely worth checking out. Okay, we just hit where the yellow loop is. Last time I did this, I've only done it one other time, but the last time I did it, I took it counterclockwise. So today, I'm gonna go clockwise. Okay, I'm at mile marker 0 here on the yellow loop. It's about completely on the opposite side of the loop from where we started, but there's no parking where we started. It's just direct access for bicycles or people walking. So right here, from this side of the loop, there's the parking lot where the official beginning of this loop starts. There's also a restroom here, so that's good to know. Okay, well, we're back at the beginning of the loop now from the side that we came in on. You would take this way if you wanted to do the loop again, or this way, which is the way we're going to take to get back to Russell Road and the Des Plaines River Trail. So again, if you're on the Des Plaines River Trail on the north end, this is a good addition to add to that ride.